Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Hassan Insurance YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about Mesut Lumia law firm. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search Mesut Lumia law firm. When you search Mesut Lumia law firm, the website page will be opened. You just click in the first website. When you click this website, the page will be opened of Mesut Lumia law firm. A Mesut Lumia lawyer specialized in asbestos compensation throughout negligence such as settlement and lawsuit. Top Mesut Lumia lawyer work for well-established nationwide law firm. These attorneys have proven track record and security, financing reward and families affected by Mesut Lumia. Key about Mesut Lumia lawyer. The Mesut Lumia firm are nationwide and offers sportage anywhere in US. Although every case is difficult, when setting out of court, the average settlement is $1 million to $2 million. Asbestos trial and result in multi-million dollars and jury verdicts. The largest asbestos lawyer fund dedicated more than $3 billion to victims and families. A wrongful death claim is the options of families who lost of loved one of Mesut Lumia. There are deadline to the file claims. A Mesut Lumia lawyer can see if they are eligible. Why you need to Mesut Lumia attorney? You need to Mesut Lumia attorney to help you file a prestige Mesut Lumia lawsuit. They have a legal experience and skills to secure most compensations. Top Mesut Lumia attorney will have access the asbestos informational database, a track record of success-free cases review, good communication skills, knowledge about compensation options, nationwide availability, years of experience in state of federal litigations. There are firms now about the means of represented Mesut Lumia cancer patients and their families. They can get to most significant financial recoveries for their clients. You don't want to just any attorney handling your cases. This is your chance to hold asbestos opportunities responsible for the harm of cases. You should find a Mesut Lumia attorney with many years of experience working at the nationwide firm and the great track record winning big cases and settlements. Top Mesut Lumia lawyer and law firms. The asbestos lawyer work top Mesut Lumia law firm. These firms have a term of attorney who specialized in asbestos negligence. They have to proven track record of winning cases and negotiating settlement. They are best law firm because they are handle more than 70% of annual Mesut Lumia claims. They also obtain most compensation for their clients year after year. Mesut Lumia law firm have a deep understanding of how to Mesut Lumia diagnosis can take an emotional tool to patients and their loved ones. Mesut Lumia attorneys and mindful of the focusing on patient legal cases and letting patient focus on spend times with their families. Types of claim Mesut Lumia lawyer file. A qualified Mesut Lumia lawyer will be dedicated the best way to pre-sure a legal claim. It may be a Mesut Lumia lawyer or asbestos trust fund claim. Legal compensations of Mesut Lumia can cover expenses related to cover cancer diagnosis and impact of families. Many victims suffer finance and form of loss of wages and connected cannot work. Caregiver cost of the travel expenses quickly add up, and compensation can also help cover grief support and personal cost. Personal injuries lawsuit. A person with the Mesut Lumia diagnosis can file a personal injury lawsuit. The court of may be fined one or more companies. The state of the person who died from Mesut Lumia may be filed of wrongful death lawsuit. Mesut Lumia settlement. The vast of the majority of Mesut Lumia lawsuit never go to trial. A jury verdict may be result of the more significant award is construct. Mesut Lumia settlement result in the faster payout of damage. Asbestos trust fund, bankrupt and asbestos companies have set aside billions of the compassionate peoples diagnosed with the Mesut Lumia. Qualified Mesut Lumia lawyer are well versed in the asbestos trust fund claim process. Finding a Mesut Lumia lawyer quickly in circular. They are deadline to file based on the status and the limitation of cases, and state compensation is available for asbestos related illness throughout VA claims and legal claim. Some law firms have a staff of military verdicts and other veterans. A recent Mesut Lumia settlement and awards Mesut Lumia lawsuit have helped thousands of people receive compensations. Because every case is unique, it is difficult to determine your case value. $117 million retired bankrate Stefan and Wife won $117 million 2018 against the Johnson and Johnson's and supplier Telecom American and mesothelioma after using asbestos contaminated talcum powder product from 1979 to 2003.